Hey guys, it's Burnsies RT and welcome to the channel. So today what I want to do is I want to go over my wheel spacer removal process and project that I had to do on my Challenger. So as you guys know, I put the wheel spacers on there so I could put my winter wheels on. And it worked great. Car performed flawlessly, just as I had hoped. But now it's time to remove the wheel spacers. As you can imagine, there's a lot of salt on the road, a lot of dirt, a lot of just corrosive items that can get in between your spacers and your rotors. And I bet a lot of you guys can guess that this was not an easy task to remove these wheel spacers. I didn't put any anti-seize on there or anything that would have helped the removal process. So in all, I would say the removal took probably about 3 to 4 hours. Now that did include all the prep, included the, jacking it up, putting it on the jack stands, etc. But it took me at least 2.5 to 3 hours to remove these. And here's what I did to remove them. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the rear. It's just about ready to fall off. Let's just kind of see how everything's looking over here. I'll slide the tire over here really quick. Alright, so this is how the wheel spacers look after one season of use. Honestly, they're in pretty good shape. No big rust. It didn't sear to the wheels here at all. I mean, it fell right off. I didn't use any anti-seize or anything like that. So let's go and take the spacer off now. Alright guys, so now it's time to remove the wheel spacers. And as you can see over there, I got the rear one removed and wheels on. But I just want to let you guys know that I'm not sure what product I should have put down between the rotors and the wheel spacer, but these things seized like I would have never imagined. And most of it, if you look here in the hub, there's just salt. Salt got ground in there, got seized in the hub there. And unfortunately, they have been a complete disaster trying to get these off. These completely seized to the rotors, and it's really been a challenge. So, I mean, what I've been doing is spraying the outside where it meets with the blaster, and then inside each one of these lugs. And then I've been beating it with a wrench. And then I've been trying to get in between without making any damage to the wheel spacer. It's been going fine, but just hitting it with either the rubber mallet I have or the big old Mammer Jammer wrench. So that's how I got the other two off. So that's how I'm going to continue to remove these. And it has been no easy feat. Alright, so sorry I don't have any actual live footage. It was just a process that took so long to do that honestly, I was getting so frustrated I didn't want to film it at the same token. So, but yeah, it took me a good 3 hours to remove. Glad I did. I took my car out for a quick drive afterwards, hit a couple on-ramps, and oh my God, it just feels so good to be doing something normal again. Getting on my car, letting the rear end slide out a little bit while you're accelerating. It was really a great feeling. Just in light with everything going on, I also just wanted to add that I hope everyone is staying safe, staying healthy, and doing your part to keep society as a whole safe. And I just also want to show some appreciation for RNs, doctors, and emergency employees out there who are in the front lines of this. Just want to say, and, you know, shout you guys out and just say how much, you know, me and everyone else is appreciative for everything that you guys do. So until next time, guys, take care. Let me know what you think of the new background. I think it might be a little bit too busy, but I'm just throwing out some ideas for now. But, you know, just want to try something new. And again, hope everything's going well with you guys. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Talk to you soon.